So today we are filming on the floor. And I feel like this is just an encapsulation of how unprepared I am for this video and just the fact that this video literally is dumb. This is literally a joke, okay? Today we are going to be unboxing Airpods 4. These are the Airpods 4 with noise cancellation. And the reason why we're unboxing these is because I need more content for my channel. So I thought maybe I should buy AirPods so I can unbox them on my channel so I get more views. We're gonna be unboxing some AirPods today, okay? Stay if you want, stay if you don't. I haven't even introduced myself. Hello internet, how are you? My name is Brian. Welcome to the video. Let's just open some AirPods, okay? Little backstory before I open these up. I have AirPods Pro 2s and I'm selling them because they literally fall out of my ears. I literally shit you not. They fall out of my ears so much. Literally whenever I talk with them in, they push out of my ears. I'm just over them. My ears and the AirPods Pro 2, they're fighting constantly, they're beefing constantly, they hate each other. I've literally been forced to basically use my original AirPods. These are the first generation AirPods. This is editing Brian here, and basically what I'm trying to say is that those AirPods were starting to die out and not be as good. So basically what I decided to do is I decided to sell my AirPods Pros and then use the funds to buy AirPods 4. So yeah, we're just gonna open this up, okay? Here's our stack pull tabs. Let's do it. That was literally anticlimactic. Fantastic. Designed by Apple in California. Ooh, open these up, and here is the pamphlet of information. They have AirPods with noise cancellation on them, and basically it literally just tells you how to pair these, and then it tells you all the things you can do with them. And we don't get any stickers because you suck. Here they are. They're right here, so we just pull them out, and there's nothing else in the box. They didn't give you a charger. They don't give you a charger for these. Don't even get me started. So these are actually really, really, really tiny. Look how tiny these are. They are small, so let's open them. Ooh. And then, I guess you kind of just like shove these out. How am I supposed to? Girl, let's just like shove these out. Okay, let me have them. Let me have AirPods. Why are you so pretty? Here. All right, you know what? We're just gonna have to rip these though. There we go. And here they are. They are so freaking tiny. This is actually crazy. They're even smaller than the AirPods 3. As you can see the case difference, literally crazy. Absolutely tiny. And then here's how they look. Isn't that so cute? So we are going to now set them and pair them up with my iPhone. We have my iPhone right here. So I'm gonna try to like do it like this. And there we go. AirPods connect. They're connecting. Oh, they make noise. Cute. Listening mode. So it just tells you how you can do all this stuff or whatever. Personalized volume. Cool. Turn on personalized volume. Conversation awareness. We'll do that too. And announce phone calls and stuff like that. And control your AirPods moving your head, which that's pretty cool. And yeah, there they go. Now they're all set up. Obviously, AirPods are super easy to set up. So now let's put these in my ears and see how the noise canceling is. They are tiny, so this is how they look. They're so cute. And now they're in my ears, so. Yeah. It actually works pretty freaking well. It's pretty good. That's actually pretty freaking good. Not, I think, as good as the original AirPods Pros, but honestly, these fit in my ears so much better. I can talk with my mouth and they're not gonna fall out. I feel like I can do activities. So we're gonna actually do some audio testing. So we're gonna see how good these sound. I'm going to play a song. We're gonna play Abracadabra by Lady Gaga because I love the song so much. They sound really good, so that's awesome. Okay, these sound excellent. They sound so freaking good. So these also have the Find My capabilities in the case. So basically, if you lose these, you can chime the case so you can hear them, which is pretty cool. Honestly, for me and what I use my AirPods for, these are it. These are definitely it. I think they're definitely worth the price tag, and I'm glad I got the noise canceling because I'm a sucker for noise canceling. I like having noise canceling in my tech. So I think that pretty much is it for my unboxing of the AirPods 4. They're pretty good. They're pretty awesome. If you guys did enjoy this video, be sure to hit that button down below and subscribe and click the notification bell to get notifications on whenever I upload another video. You can also follow me on all the social medias. Links are going to be down in the description and down below. The AirPods 4 with noise cancellation are a hit. They are cool. They are fantastic, and I definitely recommend you guys get them. So these definitely blow the water and blow the socks off the OG AirPods. Yeah, okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.